Welcome back everyone to our channel where we simplify the world of business for you and anything about UK immigration. Today's focus is on a topic that often puzzles many entrepreneurs, the legal side of conducting business in the UK. So, set your daily task aside and let's dig into these 6 important legal elements of doing business in the UK. Before we dive in it, the most important thing to remember is starting and running a business is exciting, but it also comes with legal duties. Understanding the legal system is essential to make sure your business follows the laws, avoid penalties, and protects itself. Now let's begin by outlining the legal system that roughly guides the UK businesses. This system is based on 6 elements: data and privacy, regulations, contracts, office space, visa and immigration, and accounting and banking. Let's discuss each of these elements one at a time. So the first up, we will talk about data and privacy. Data and privacy is a sensitive and evolving area in Europe that can become challenging as your business grows. At the start, getting legal advice and adding standard clauses in your contract should cover the basics. Remember, transferring European data to US without these clauses is not legal. If you are using services like Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud, it's wise to double-check compliance with legal experts. The key issues include where the data is stored, means data residency, and who can access it, means data access. Just to note, in Germany, there are unique sensitivities and laws that require local advice. Also, there are special legal issues when dealing with the data about health or children. The second element is regulation. The first thing to consider is whether your business is in a regulated sector. If you are involved in financial services or fall into the sharing or gig economy, there are important things to think about. Applying for license is generally simple, but can get complicated if your business falls outside the norm. Regulatory compliance means following the rules and standards for your specific industry. Depending on your business type, you might need to follow regulations about data protection, financial services, health and safety, environmental protection, and more. It's important to stay current with these requirements to avoid penalties and damage to your reputation. The next point is contract. Understanding the contract law is important too. Contracts are the foundation of business relationship, protecting the rights and duties of everyone involved. Knowing how to create, negotiate, and enforce contracts is key to smooth operations and avoiding legal problems. The next point is about office space. Picking an office space for UK businesses can be tricky. Our advice is to keep it simple for as long as you can. Being in a co-working space such as WeWork or Regus might be helpful. Once your team grows, you can consider moving to a lease space. You can also take over a lease from another startup that's outgrown its offices, which can limit your long-term commitment. The next topic is my most favorite, visas and immigration. That's what we specialize in. The UK visa and immigration rules changes very often, so it's important to check with the relevant authorities before making your plans. Professional advice from solicitors can provide custom guidance on the best visa options for your business. Last and final point is accounting and banking. If you are setting up your business in the UK, we recommend banking with a business-friendly bank. Major banks such as Barclays, HSBC, or newer entrants like Metro Bank are all viable options. You may also choose to work with digital banks such as Monzo, Starling, Cash Plus in the UK. When opening UK accounts, keep in mind that client due diligence can be more demanding than any other countries. You may need to provide business details beyond just identity, like a notarized address proof for the owners or even a business plan. Remember, conducting business in the UK is not just about making profits. It's about doing it responsibly and within the law. Not knowing the law is not an excuse. Not following it can lead to serious consequences that could threaten your business's future. That's wrap up today's episode. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thank you so much for watching.